Kalamazoo Public Schools is honored to be chosen one of the first electric school bus grant recipients in the state of Michigan. In early 2018, Dr. Michael Rice, KPS superintendent at the time, my boss for 12 years, and somebody I have a tremendous amount of respect for, asked our staff to get involved in this very important project. The health and well-being of our students and our community is very important to Kalamazoo Public Schools. Electric vehicles are our future, and we wanted to be a part of bringing these buses to Michigan and our school community. Electric buses are cleaner and healthier for our students, and student safety is really important for us. Electric buses are also efficient, reliable, and will require less maintenance on the part of our maintenance staff. We are also very excited about bringing electric technology to our students in the classroom. It is very important to have our students learn about clean energy, environmental issues, and renewable energy. I would like to thank Terry Amon, Executive Supervisor of Transportation and Operations, and Mike Champion, retired bus maintenance foreman, for their significant contribution to this project. Both are here today. I would also like to thank State of Michigan, MAPT, Consumers Energy, and other participating districts for their vision and hard work making this important acquisitions for all of our students possible. We look forward to working with the project districts as we learn and grow electric school buses in the state of Michigan. Finally, I'd like to recognize some other KPS representatives that are here today and very supportive of this project. Board President Patty Scholler-Barber, Assistant Superintendent of Teaching and Learning Services, Cindy Green, Assistant Superintendent of Teaching and Learning Services, Cindy Green, Director of Marketing and Communications, Susan Coney, and the current bus maintenance foreman, Mike Smith. And one thing I do want to say is the state of Michigan, the state school board, made an excellent choice selecting my boss. Now, I wish he was back. I wasn't happy with that, but they made an excellent choice. Dr. Rice is a great guy. Thank you.